Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add snow effect to your video on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is my original video, and if you want to add an effect to our video, we need to go to the effects menu right here, and then you're going to choose a video effect. There will be video effects and body effects, and you need to choose the video effects. And here you can search for the snow effect. Just type in snow and you will have snow, snowfall, night snow, vintage snow, snow spots, pink snow, and the other snow. And I'm just going to choose the free snow effect. For example, I'm going to choose this snowfall effect. We can click on this plus icon to add the effect to our video, or we can drag the effect like this. Okay, and then here we can customize the atmosphere and also the speed. I'm going to reduce the atmosphere and let's play it. Wait, let me reduce it again. Okay, and this is the result. For the speed, I'm going to make it slower. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.